All right, page 13. So first we start off by counting. Oh, here. By counting, how many little squares are there? 3. Then how many little squares are here?
4.
And here?
5.
So you can hopefully right now go like, oh yeah, what am I adding by?
1.
So what would figure 3 be?
6.
Right? Should be easy. All right, let's fill in the table, Wendy. Let's focus on this and fill this out for us, please, everybody. Fill in the table, fill in the table. Okay, so if we fill in the table, figure 0 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we'll leave 17 blank for now. Pretty easy. So what's my rate of change? 1. How do I know it's 1? We're adding 1. Right? And that translates into your rate of change. What is my starting point? 3, because figure 0 is 3. So this number, the 3, goes there. The plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 goes there. All right. The hardest part, yeah, right, is your equation. What is your equation? Y equals 1x plus 3. Now, is there a more simplified way of writing this? Yeah. Y equals x plus 3. I don't need the 1. It's there. It's just invisible. So good. Y equals x plus 3. Both of those are equivalent to each other. All right, let me double check something. O, G, F, H, and 6. So now I can do 17, which is pretty easy. You plug in 17 to x. So it's just 17 plus 3. Oh, what's 17 plus 3? 20. So that means underneath the 17 will go the number 20. And that's it. That was a pretty easy one because it's times 1 or just x, right? All right, let's graph it. So 0, 3, 0, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, right? And connect. We should have a straight line, linear. Linear means straight. All right, letter B. So how many here? 5, right? All right, count up figure 2. Two, 4, 6, 7. Oh, I mean, as soon as I count this and make it 7, do we now know like basically everything? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, what am I changing by? How do I go from 5 to 7 to 9? We're adding 2. So figure 4 would be 11. What would figure 0 be?
3.
Nice. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 is 7, 9, 11, 13. What's my rate of change? 2. What's my starting point? 3. So my equation is Are we feeling better about this? A little bit, like a 1% better? Maybe 1.5? I'll take it. So how do I get 17? Well, plug it in. Y equals 2 times, not x, but now I'm going to use 17 plus 3. So let's do this math. 2 times 17, or 17 plus 17. 17 plus 17 is 34. Plus 3, 37. All right, so 0, 3, 1, 5, 2, 7, 3, 9, 4, 11. And we're going to connect. Not break anything. We always need a clip. Oh, I was wearing the wrong clip. Oh, embarrassing. Maybe you can still repair it.
No, you can't.
Is it like the spring? Yeah, but do you have a little spring that goes there? Where did the spring go?
I don't know.
Problem solved. Spares for days. Alright, we're good? Alright. Oh no, letter C has no pictures. What am I supposed to do? Where is the information?
And
The table right here.
it's going by 3.
Good. Alright, so right here. They took away the pictures. It's sad. It's a sad day now. Alright, can you do it without the pictures? Cool. Starting point, rate of change. Ooh, what's my starting point? 0. Okay, rate of change is 3. Starting point is 0. What's my equation? Yeah. Do I need that plus 0? No, so now we have like a 7th grade. This one does have a unit rate of 3. Alright, what would 17 be? 42? So 3 times 17? No. Yeah, 51. Go slow, because if you have this on the test, you don't want to rush through it and get this point taken off because you did the math too fast. You can always sit there and go 17 plus 17 plus 17. Like if that works out better, you're not a multiplier type of person. Cool, do the other one. All right, so 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. All right. Connect those. Easy? Hard? Más o menos? Completely lost. Oh, here's one. Alright, easy, easy, easy. Ow. Alright, do I really want to do that? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. And then we'll do this one tomorrow. And then that on Wednesday. And then Thursday we'll practice for our test on Friday. What? Fine, I'll give you the test on Thursday. How about I make it long so you have to do it for 2 days? I kind of like that. Or let's spend the last 3 days of the school year testing.
Yeah.
Like a big final, like high school kids. That's what the high schoolers do. All right. Oh, my goodness. This is a silent board game situation. First one's pretty easy. How do I go from 2 to 4? Times what? Times 2. Can I do that to 10? 10 times 2? So from here to here, I am multiplying by 2. Multiplying by 2, right? All right, so can you fill in the rest? All we're doing is times 2. Ready, set, go. Times 2. Yeah, just so fill in the bottom part. Diego, what's 0 times 0? I'm sorry, 0 times 2. 1 times 2. All right, continue. Just like that. 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2. Blah, blah, blah. What's negative 5 times 2? Negative 3 times 2? X. What would I write down? Yeah. Because what am I changing by? I'm changing by 2, and my starting point is 0. So it'd be y equals 2x. Because I'm changing by 2. Okay, what am I doing to the 1 to get to 4? And that's the same thing I'm doing to 4 to get to 10, and 100 to get to 202. Pick one and see what you can do. How do I go from 100 to 202?
2 times 2 plus 2.
So what's 100 times 2? Plus 2? Okay. Let's do that to Emmanuel the 4. What's 2 times 4 plus 2? Cool. Let's do that to the 1. 2 times 1 plus 2. So we're good. So what do we have to do to all of these numbers? Times 2 and then add 2. So what's 2 times 0? 0 plus 2. What's 2 times 2?
4.
Plus 2?
6.
What's 3 times 2?
8.
6 times 2? 8. All right, keep going. Keep going.
The bottom, no, the top one is actually the bottom. We're just moving it back one.
Yes. But then here we kind of, yeah. Ten times 2?
22.
Aye. Negative 5. No. Yes. Because it's 2 times negative 5 plus 2. What's 2 times negative 5? Negative 10. Negative 10 plus 2, you don't add them because they're different. That's when we slow it down and we get negative 8. Okay, go slow on the negative 3. Go slow on the negative 3.
4.
Negative 4. Because 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 plus 2. Okay, what's our equation? Nice. Ugh. Let's see. What do I do to 3 to get to 11? I don't know. I haven't figured it out. 3 times 3 times 2 is 6. And plus 5? Oh. It's a two-stepper. Talk to each other. Talk to each other. How do I go from 3 to 11?
3 times 2 plus 2. 3 times. I thought it was bad. Do you need times 3 plus 2?
So what am I doing? Yes? It is, and I got it, times 2 plus 5. Because 2 times 3 is 6. How do I get to 11? Plus 5. Over here, 2 times 6 is 12 plus 5, 17. Okay, so everybody do 2 times your number plus 5. Go. 2 times your number plus 5. Go. 2 times 0 plus 5. 2 times 1 plus 5. Fill in the table. All right, so what goes underneath the 0? 5, because you're adding 5. Don't do that. What goes underneath the 1? 2? 11, 4? 5? Okay, 10, 25, 100? All right, negative 5. Nice. Negative 13. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 5? Negative 1. And what's your equation? So what do all three of these rules, these equations, have in common? They're all 2x. So all of the rate of changes are 2. The starting point, though, is all different. All right, let's graph the first one. Y equals 2x. So, ow, ow, ow. When we graph, we're going to graph this. What's our first dot? 0, 0. So let's put a dot on 0, 0. Where is 0, 0? Right in the middle. Put a dot right in the middle. Okay, what's our next stop? 1, 2. This is our next stop. 1, 2. So 1 on the x. This always goes first. 1, and then we're going to go up to 2. 1, up 2. All right, what's the next stop? 2, 4. So go to 2 first. This is what we do first on this line. Go to 2. What's the second number? 4. So I go up to 4 and put a dot. What's the next set of numbers? 3, 6. So 3 up to 6. 4, 8. 5, 10. 6, 12. Okay. All right, let's switch colors. For B, I start on 0, 2. 0, 2. So 0 and then up to 2. What's my next dot? My next dot is 1, 4. 1, 4. So I got to go to 1 and then up to 4. 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10. What do you notice when you're plotting the points? Goes up. What else? Are you going to cross the other line? No, right? Your dots are, and your two lines will become two what kind of lines? Yes, starts with the P, parallel. So you have two lines that are parallel. It's like railroad tracks. They'll never cross each other. There goes the train. All right. All right, the last one, 0, 5. So my first dot is 0, 5. So I'm going to put a dot on 5, 0, 5. Right there, 0, 5. Then my next one is 1, 7. 1, 7. So 1, go up to 7. 2, 9. 3, 8. No, wait. 3, what? 11. 4, 13. Okay, what is the same about the patterns in each of the tables above? What is the same about the 3 graphs from the table next to? Okay, so what's the same about the patterns? What do you guys notice from the tables? What do we notice from the tables? What do they have all in common? They're all going up. And then what else? Well, that's from here. Just from here. Oh, from here. Like without the graphs. Let's pretend we don't know the graphs. The number 2. Yep. And notice, 0 to 2 plus 2. 2 to 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Look at this one. Are we adding 2 here too? And here too? So all over here, all over the tables, we are adding by 2. So what is the same about the patterns? We are adding by 2 from x to x. I don't know how to say that. Like figure x is 0 to x is 1. We keep adding by 2. The rate of change is always 2. We keep changing by 2. We keep adding by 2. I had a student in first period ask me, like, well, Miss O'Malley, why doesn't it say plus 2 then? You know, like the first one says 2x. And that's a very good observation and question. We're adding 2 from here, but we're multiplying by 2 when we go down. So it's an interesting concept that you'll go over in 8th grade. All right, now let's look at the graphs. What is the same about the 3 graphs made from the table above? So what's the same? Now let's look at the graphs. What? Go up. They go up. They're straight. They don't cross each other. Yep. They are parallel. I like it. I like it. This is something that you won't understand until 8th grade. Their slope is 2. Slope is it's a fancy word for rate of change. We okay? We okay? Are we like 100% like, this is awesome, this is the easiest thing in the world?